I forgot to record in HD. If you want to see an HD version, get this video to 20 likes and I'll do a re-recording. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to build a custom environment in Muse and turn that into a template. So first I'm going to go to CG Trader, find a model I like that I want to use as my custom environment, and download a GLB file. Now I'm going to delete the windows in this model because the windows will be blocking the pathway to enter the room. Now I'm going to save my model and export it as a GLB file. Before I go back to Muse, I will now upload my model to GLTF report to see how many triangles and draw calls there are. Right now, there are over 4,000, so there's 4,933 draw calls. That's a ton of draw calls. You might be wondering, what is a draw call? What is a draw call? A draw call is when the computer has to draw something, and you want to keep this number as low as possible. You might be wondering, how do we make this model more efficient? Well, we go to rapidcompact.com and we upload our GLB model. Once the model is in Rapid Compact, you're going to want to create a custom preset with a maximum mesh resolution of 39,000 faces. If you don't know how to create a custom preset, go check out my Rapid Compact tutorial, which will be in the description below. Once my model is done optimizing, I'm going to download my model off of Rapid Compact. And then I'm going to upload it back into GLTF report to verify that everything got optimized. Look, we went from 4,900 draws down to 21 draws. And we now have under 39,000 triangles. So everything is perfect to upload into Muse. Once you have downloaded your model, you're going to want to log into Muse, and then you're going to walk over to the template creator. Then you're going to select the lost template, which you can find under the environments category. We're going to give our world a name, and then we're going to start building. And this is where the fun stuff happens. Once I'm in the lost template, which is a blank white template, I'm going to click the add button, go to decorations, and then click collider model. Then I'm going to upload my model, which I just got off of Rapid Compact. Make sure you have optimizations turned on within Muse as well. This is going to further compress your model to guarantee that your model will run seamlessly on the web. Once your model is done uploading, you're going to want to scale and position your model as you see fit. I'm using the shortcuts Shift less than and greater than to rotate 90 degrees. Once I'm done with positioning, I'm going to click Enable Collisions. This will allow Muse to automatically turn parts of the model into walls and floors so you can't walk through it. Now I'm walking through the model to test how those walls and floors were added. It seems like there's still some areas that Muse missed. So now I'm going to go to the try limit and increase that to 10,000. This usually results in a higher accuracy, but sometimes can also lead to worse performance. So make sure you don't use too big of a try limit. Usually anywhere between 10,000 to 50,000 tries is typically okay for your website. If you start seeing your website lag, I recommend turning the try limit back down. Now, let's add a sky. The way we're going to add a sky is go to Decorations and click HDRI ball. The HDRI ball allows you to upload HDRIs, which creates beautiful skies. If we click Upload on HDRI and select the sky that we like and turn on background, there we go. Now we have a sky. It's starting to come together. Now I'm going to customize the spawn point. Right now we spawn outside, but I want people to spawn inside the model. So I walked over to that black circle, I clicked on it, and then I'm going to click V. Whenever I click V, wherever I'm looking at and standing at, that's where it's going to set the spawn point to. Now I'm going to turn off the fog and those little balls. And the way I'm going to do that is click on the floor that we have right now and just toggle off fog and ideas. Now I'm going to add a custom floor. The way I'm going to do that is that I'm going to add a wall and then rotate the wall to be parallel with the existing floor and then overlay that existing floor with the wall that I just laid out. And then I'm going to upload a photo or a texture that I want my floor to look like. And then we just resize the wall to make it really big. And now you have a custom floor. It's really that easy. Now I'm pretty happy with this build. I'm going to click Publish, and now I'm going to show you how to turn this build into a template. Once your world is done publishing, you're going to want to go back to muse.place and then select a world that you were just building on. In this case, it was Netflix and Chill 3. Then you're going to click Edit and add a description to your world. Once you're done with that, click List as a Template, and then just click Save Changes. Once you're done, walk over to the template selector, click Creator Built Templates, and then you'll see your newly published template in the selector. Let's preview it. And there we go. Here's our template. As you can see, we successfully spawned in the correct location. This was a custom spawn point we set up earlier in this video. Hopefully, you learned some things from this video and found it interesting. I wish you the best with building, good luck, and have fun.